Okay, I wanted to go over some alternative formulas for calculating the digamma function, and we have this one up at the top of the screen that's going to help us calculate negative values. So we have digamma of minus 1 over n is equal to digamma of 1 over n plus pi cotangent pi over n. I think this would also work for negative integers, but right now we've got this set up just for positive integers. And this usually, the way this is set up is we want to calculate the negative value, and oftentimes we already know the positive value. So like for example, a good use of this might be, let's say we wanted digamma of minus 1/2. Well then our n value is going to be 2, and we can just plug into this formula. So to get started with it, what I want to do is use the reflection formula that we have right here, but I want to substitute in for it. So what I want to do on this, what if I'm just going to substitute for z equal to 1 over n. So then plugging that in here, what we're going to have is digamma 1 minus 1 over n minus digamma 1 over n equals pi cotangent pi over n. But then for this value right here, we can use this top formula and reduce it by 1 going from here to here. So what's going to happen on this, just subtracting 1, we get digamma minus 1 over n, but we need to add on 1 over z, where the z value in this is just going to be all of this right now. So this is just going to be minus n, and then we're going to have all the rest of this stuff. But then all we need to do is we just isolate this piece, and we have digamma minus 1 over n. Bring all this to the right side by just adding it, and so this is going to equal, we'll go out of order, digamma 1 over n plus this pi cotangent pi over n. And so that's really all there is to it. And of course, like, you don't really need this. You could kind of just use the reflection formula on the fly, but this is just a minor, very minor shortcut. So how we could use this, going back to this thing right here, if we want to find digamma of minus 1/2, well then we can just use this and plug in. We know our n value is going to be 2, so we have digamma minus 1/2 is going to be digamma 1/2 plus n is 2 plus pi cotangent pi over 2. Well, that's pretty nice because this part right here, this is actually 0. Digamma 1/2, that's going to be minus, just memorizing this value that we've done before in a previous video, it's going to be minus Euler-Mascheroni constant minus 2 ln 2 plus 2, and that's it. Okay, so there you go, just kind of a quick shortcut method for calculating negative values. Thanks everyone for watching. Have a good day.